and this is the 50th video I am posting in NS Fusion Studio. And in this video you are going to I'm going to show I made a superhero with some scrap materials, with waste, Coca-Cola bottle, small electrical components like that stuff and all. So I'll show you how I made this one. Actually, I made this 2 years before. You can see this on my Instagram post. I leave my ID down below. So on the time I didn't have any idea to have to take videos and all. On the time I didn't start a YouTube itself, but I took picture on each and every step while I'm making this Iron Man. Yeah, that's obviously I made an Iron Man with some scrap material. So I'll show you what are the things I use, and you can also easily make this in your home. So the first picture what you're seeing is small electronics components, right? It's basically a resistance, inductance, some capacitors over there. So just collect from already used, you have some PCB boards, I think, so you can get in by collector this that have some collections of materials right here. Again, this is a picture, and first of all, yes, this is the hand I made one particular poster, and I within that I take it as a reference and I made this model. So first of all, I made this hand. Through the center you have a big capacitor. Actually, the orange thing at the tail end, it acts as an wrist arm. Okay, actually a small resistance actually cut the resistance of one side, the another side only the lead will be there. So you should fold the lead, and you should use some glue or solder. It is very much I prefer soldering, but I'm not able to do that on that time, so I used glue. You can use Febiquick, something like that. You need to paste four resistance over the ring, so the ring will act as a palm and 4 resistance will act as a fingers. Okay, this is the concept for first one. Actually, it's very easy. Obviously, when you see this picture, you can understand easily how it is made. And likewise, you have to do it on another hand. What the thing you are doing on one side, the same should be on another side. Okay, guys, this is how I made this hand. Basic is like this. You can make a number of things out of it. You can see this. This is the final arm. It can be easily placed on that center core structure of the robot. You can see the Coca-Cola bottle out there. Actually, it used as an armor. Basically, if you took an Iron Man, the entire color is in red, somewhat silver shade. Okay, the outer surface of the Coca-Cola bottle you can cut it and used as a red surface for the armors and all, and to make an entire body and stuff. So I made like this, and yeah, this is the body part. I took a old Febistick and attached it with some also some electronical components around there. I made this center ring. Obviously the Iron Man, the most important part is its core, the energy part on its chest. So I made this on his center portion as his body. So you can find that each structure, what you're seeing is you can find it on a small transformers. When you take the coil off, inside this there will be in two structure with attached to each other. When you remove it, you can find two E-like structures. So make it as symmetrical. What you're doing on one side, it's same to be on another side. This is the concept for the entire model. Likewise, you can attach it on both sides. Okay, this is how the basic structure of and again this one. Actually, it's very simple, guys. First, the top body should be a little bit wider, and we are coming to the lower one, make it as a short. That how it will look like a perfect shape for an Iron Man armorer like that. So first of all, take a bottle, Coca-Cola bottle. You can find some lot of empty space around there. If you find lot of red space, cut it as a square and then place it over your what you made as a body, and fixed it and make some marks. Actually, it's a simple mark. You can also trace this. Should leave a hole for the ring. After this, you can paste it on a body. Okay, this is how actually up to this you can make the hand and the body. Okay, and you can also give an impression by just gently pushing the plate itself you can make a small impression out of it, so you can make some perfect lines for the armors. Actually, I used my hand to fold this part. Real shoot also somewhat look like this, that shape will come like that. And this is the final model of center part. I have covered both things. Good model, I think. So I guess that it will be comes good. Actually, you can see that hand how realistic it looks like, and you can see the four. Actually, I have placed one resistance for this and another resistance for this, so it will really look like a hand itself. So this is how you made this body and on hand. The procedure how you made this one and the same should be on another side. This is the principle. So this is the actually I made this face. You can have a old headphone strap. Inside the headphone you will have some speaker, small speaker. So take the two things and keep center as in one standard pot and attach to that headphone speakers in both sides. Likewise the similar, we have some bottom pots for this. So see how you made the hand. This is the same principle for the leg. Only thing will change is you have some flat portion on the red. Making leg is very easier than making the hand. Okay, on bottom side you should give an impression like a foot, so it will look like a leg. And you can also see in this picture I have did one leg is slightly forward and another leg in straight position. So this is a unique thing that you everyone can do it on your own style. Literally very simple and easy to make. You can make on anything. I made on this scrap materials. I can show you some other pictures. Yeah, I took a photo shoot out of it. This is a picture you can see. See, this is one of a good look. So guys, this check on my Instagram post that I have included some other photos for making this video. So that will be very helpful while you making this. So okay guys, that's it. Thanks for traveling through this video, and this is how I made this. So if you feel any difficulties while making this, or you need to show your model to me, you can send this picture to my Instagram ID. I'll leave my ID down below. And that's it guys. See you soon on another video. Thank you.